Hey everyone, welcome back. If you see a something went wrong error in the SHEIN app, do not panic as this is usually temporary. First, swipe up from the bottom of your screen, look for SHEIN, swipe it away, then wait for a few seconds or minutes and then reopen the app. Next, check your internet connection. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data to rule out network issues, or make sure that you're connected to a stable Wi-Fi so your app operates smoothly. Next, to clear the app cache in SHEIN, you can go to your account and then click on settings and then scroll down and you'll see the clear cache option. Then click on yes and you'll have all the caches clear. Or reinstall the app. To reinstall, long press on the SHEIN app icon, remove app and then delete app. If the errors appears repeatedly, wait a short time and try again later as the problem may be on SHEIN servers, and that's it. Subscribe for more quick fixes.